Well, hello and welcome. It's Bears back to show you a lock I found. It's a Sesamee 533 steel series. It's a fairly cheap lock in price, but it seems to be a really sturdy little lock. Hefty, got some heft to it, shrouded, and let's go ahead and see what we can find out about it. I picked this lock in that challenge West Coast Picks challenge, but it gave me some trouble then, and I'm hoping it won't give me too much trouble this time, but you never know. Well, come on. Where are you, baby? Feels solid everywhere. Just didn't get the front one picked. Well, that went pretty smooth. So, let's see what we got in here. Sorry, I got the shakes today. I guess Bill Bacardi isn't the only one, huh? Okay. Well, there's a screw. All right, set that out of the way. We'll get this over here. You get out of my way. You guys too. Come here. Get over there. Okay. Let's see if I can get this clip off. I get a better look at it. If we can shove it up in there. Yeah, try to do it down here best I can. Oops. Wish I had a technique for this, but I really don't. So it's just trial and error. Oh, sorry about that. Bumping the camera. Crud. Now it's going to give me all sorts of trouble. If I could get it to hold right there, I think. Ooh, what a toughie. Oh, you dog. Get back here. I'm going to tear everything up just trying to get this thing off of here. Oh, I think we got it. Oh, whew. I think that's going to be the toughest part of the whole lot. Is that piece? Let's go ahead and shim this thing. Man. Okay. And go ahead and push that in. And there's our pins. Let's see. Pin 1. Looks like it got a little serration on it. Let's just go ahead and get through this. Oh, sorry. 3, 4, get in there. And 5. Oh, nice. Give me these. Move that around. That one. Yeah, they all look like they're serrated. And let's find out what's in here. I'm gonna, oh, that's pin 5. Pin 5. Gonna go a ways. 5. Looks like a spool. 4. Looks like standard. 3. Looks like a spool. 2 spool. 1 spool. No, one's a standard. There's that spring. There is that. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. I don't look like a standard. Let's, oh, sorry about that. So we got here, oh, looks like we got some milling for a bump pin. Let's see what we got here. Now we got all the bottom are serrated. I got a standard in 1, spool in 2, spool in 3, bump pin in 4, and a spool in number 5. Oh, that's not bad. So that's what we got in this Sesamee lock. It wasn't that hard to pick, but I think some rekeying might take care of that. Okay, well, thanks for watching, everybody, and stay legal. Bye. After I finished the video, I noticed something about this core. It has an anti-bypass little disc that goes in here, half moon kind of thing. So it has an American keyway. So if you're going to pin it for 6, you're going to have to remove this disc and maybe use the anti-bypass disc for an American lock on the back. But I thought that was kind of interesting. So, well, thanks for watching, everybody. Like I said, stay legal and have fun. That's what it's about. Bye.